Let's make hot Spanish latte.
Hello guys, ito pala yung recipe ko. 30 grams ng condensed, 10 grams ng fructose. Set aside natin. 18 grams ng coffee yung need natin.
Diba? This is where she furnished this.
So guys, out natin 30 grams. Sarap. Sa milk, 250 grams. Thermometer. Check nyo naman gaano ka-silky yan guys. Enjoy! Sarap. Try nyo na.